Welcome to Thecarcollective, and today we're diving into one of the most iconic and powerful SUVs on the planet, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG. If you thought the G-Wagon couldn't get more intense, more luxurious, or more unstoppable, think again. Mercedes has taken their flagship off-roader and made it even more of a beast, both on the road and off it. At first glance, the 2026 G63 keeps its instantly recognizable boxy silhouette. But Mercedes has subtly modernized the exterior with sleeker LED lighting signatures, new wheel options up to 23 inches, and more aerodynamic refinements, without compromising that rugged, squared-off charm everyone loves. It still looks like it could drive through a wall. And honestly, it probably could. Now let's talk power. Under the hood, the 2026 G63 gets an updated version of the handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, now producing around 600 horsepower and over 850 Nm of torque. That's more power than ever before, and it launches this tank from 0 to 60 mph in just around 4.3 seconds. But here's the twist. Mercedes has added a 48-volt mild hybrid system for better efficiency and smoother power delivery. It doesn't take away from the raw performance, it enhances it. The 9-speed AMG speed shift transmission keeps things razor sharp, whether you're tearing down the Autobahn or crawling through rocky terrain. And with AMG ride control, adaptive dampers, and selectable drive modes including trail, sand, and rock, this G63 can go anywhere and do it in serious comfort. Step inside, and you're met with one of the most opulent interiors in the SUV world. It's a blend of military toughness and Maybach-level luxury. Premium Napa leather, AMG carbon fiber trim, a new widescreen digital cockpit with the latest Maybach system, and augmented reality navigation. It's all here. There's even new ambient lighting themes, massaging seats, and updated voice controls. The G63 may be a brute on the outside, but it's a palace on wheels inside. Mercedes has also added new driver assistance features, including active lane, centering, adaptive cruise with predictive cornering, and a 360-degree camera system with off-road overlays. So whether you're in Beverly Hills or the Sahara, you're covered. The 2026 G63 isn't just a status symbol anymore. It's a high-tech, high-performance machine that refuses to be ignored. It's bold, unapologetic, and still unlike anything else on the market. So what do you think? Is the 2026 G63 worth the upgrade, or would you go for the electric EQG instead? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep it locked to Thecarcollective, where we bring the road to life, one car at a time.